Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a listing on Viagogo. The first thing you need to do is to visit the Viagogo web app at viagogo.com and log in using your email and password. Once logged in, go ahead and click on the profile tab, which is at the top right corner of the screen. And you'll be provided with a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, go ahead and select My Hub. And that's going to take you to the My Hub window. In the My Hub section, locate the left-hand navigation menu. And here you have a couple of options here. From those options, go ahead and click on My Listings to proceed to the listing management page. Now, I currently do not have any listing, but if you do, you're going to find all your listings here. On the My Listings page, look for an option such as that allows you to create your new listing. Okay, so as you can see from these listings window, you have active, pending, deactivated, you have sold and expired. In the search bar, you can go ahead and search for listings by event name or the listings ID. So here is where you can manage your listings, but pretty much you cannot create a listing in here. But there's a way you can create your listing, and that's by heading over to the top right corner of the screen where you have buy, sell, my tickets, and profile. Now go ahead and click on the option that says sell tickets. So click on that, and that's going to take you to a page or a listing page where you can now create your listing. So use the search bar to type the name of the event for which you are selling tickets. So it could actually be a concert, or okay, let's say this Dallas Cowboy, or let's say Coldplay. And I'm just clicking on that. That's random, but just go ahead and search for the exact. Then select the correct event from the search results to continue. You have 49 events, no location, so I'm just going to click on any of them, and once I click on any of them, it's going to take me to the next page. Here I can now choose my ticket type. Let's say I want to sell e-tickets, then I have to enter the quantity, that is the number of the tickets I want to sell, let's say 4. Then the next thing is to choose split type. All right, choose split type, so any, none, avoid leaving one ticket, avoid leaving 1 or 3 tickets, avoid odd numbers. You can select any of that. Then enter seating details. You have to enter your seating information such as the seat numbers, row, and the section if applicable. So let's say section A1 and A2, and okay, let's just say row H, and enter your seat number, that's seat number, seat from, and then to the last seat. Then enter your face value, that's face value is the price printed on the tickets excluding any booking fees. Enter the amount. Then here's about you. If you work for Viagogo or other organizer of the event, you're required by section 96, all right, of the Consumer Rights Act to select it below. So go ahead and choose any of that. Then select restrictions on use by checking any of the box that is next to the restrictions. Also, you have to select required ticket details as well. And once you're done filling out, you have to also specify if you're selling to people in the United Kingdom or the Europe. And once you're done, just go ahead and click on the continue button down there. Now, after you're done with all of that, ensure that your information is clear and it matches the details that you entered. Okay, and for physical tickets, go ahead and select the delivery method, while for e-ticket, just confirm the data transfer process. So double check all the information you have entered, including event details, ticket specifics, and pricing. Then click on continue to finalize your submission. Now your listing may go through a verification process to ensure accuracy and compliance. You receive a confirmation email once your listing is live on the platform. Go ahead and return to the My Listings page in the My Hub to view or edit your active listings. Use the section to update pricing, edit details, or deactivate your listing as needed. If you face any issues during the process, you can reach out to customer support or refer to view FAQ section in the My Hub window. Viagogo may provide additional instructions or notifications via email once your listing is active. So this guide just pretty much ensures you create a listing accurately on Viagogo web app. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. Hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.